Can you sue for surgical errors or botched surgery? Imagine going into surgery expecting to get better, only to face new problems afterward. Sometimes, mistakes happen during surgery that can cause serious harm. If that sounds familiar, you might wonder if you can take legal action. The answer is yes, you can sue for surgical errors or botched surgeries under medical malpractice law. But you need to prove that the surgeon or surgical team was negligent and that this negligence directly caused your injury. Not every bad outcome from surgery means malpractice. If a healthcare provider fails to meet the accepted standard of care and this leads to harm, you may have grounds to file a lawsuit. To do this successfully, you generally need to show 4 things. First, there was a duty of care, meaning the doctor had a professional obligation to provide proper care. Second, the surgeon or team breached that duty by acting negligently. Usually, expert testimony is needed to show what a competent surgeon would have done differently. Third, the breach of duty must have directly caused your injury. You have to prove that the injury would not have happened if not for the negligence. Fourth, you need to demonstrate you suffered real damages, like physical injuries, pain and suffering, extra medical bills, lost wages, or a reduced quality of life. Common surgical errors that can lead to malpractice claims include operating on the wrong site or performing the wrong procedure, leaving surgical instruments inside the body, damaging nerves or organs, anesthesia mistakes, failing to respond to complications, or infections caused by negligence. Sometimes, claims also arise if the surgeon did not properly explain the risks, options, or nature of the surgery before proceeding. If you believe you have been harmed by a surgical mistake, it's important to talk to an experienced personal injury or medical malpractice lawyer quickly. Lawsuits have a time limit called the statute of limitations, which is usually between 2 and 3 years from when the injury happened or was discovered. If you win your case, you could receive compensation for medical bills, pain and suffering, lost income, disability, disfigurement, and future medical care related to the surgical error. So, in simple terms, yes, you can sue for surgical errors if you can prove negligence caused your injury and you suffered damages because of it. These cases requiring careful legal and medical review to make sure all the elements are met and to help you seek the right compensation.